So the first instruction is to create a new Fathom file and save it as samples of 8. It says get a new collection. Name this collection 8 coins. So we need to get an attribute here that we're going to call coins. So we should double click this. We inspect 8 coins. We want an attribute called coins. So that's like saying like each, remember an attribute's like a column, right? So we're saying, okay, coins. And then we want to give this a formula so that each coin is defined as random pick. And we want it to be from 0 to 1. So that's going to tell the computer to randomly pick for each coin a value between, like an integer value from 0 to 1. That makes sense? Or rather, it's just going to pick either 0 or 1, and it's going to do it randomly, right? So what else have we been doing randomly that's either one thing or another? Flipping a coin. Thank you, Andrew. Yeah, flipping a coin, right? So this is going to simulate right here flipping a coin. So we can hit OK once we've got our formula here. And we need to create some new cases. So each case is going to be 1 coin. So we want 8 cases. And again, I just right-clicked on the, here, I'll do that again. You right-click on the collection and add 8 cases. Okay. Cool. So now we should have 8 cases and make a table for this collection. And you should have this. You should have, again, when you drag that table down for your collection, you should have 8 coins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And under coins, that attribute we made, we've got.
Value should be different.
I'm sorry?
My value should be different from your value.
They might be because it's random. Exactly, Devin. Yeah, precisely. Okay, so this is what we're looking at now. And it says right-click the collection and re-randomize. What's happening every time we re-randomize? Yes, Devin. It's the same thing effectively as flipping 8 coins. That is nice. Okay, so next it says make a dot plot of this collection. What does it show? So we need a graph, and we take coins and make a dot plot. That's a pretty interesting dot plot. What does it show? Yeah, distribution of heads and tails. I like that. If we think of 0 as heads and 1 as tails, looks like we've got 4 and 4. So far, so good, right? Okay. Re-randomize. Still 4 and 4. I'm going to do it again. Oh, it's always 4 and 4. Re-randomize.
2 and 6.
Oh, I keep on getting 4 and 4. Oh, randomness is so funny. All right, well, let's make a histogram. Which one's easier to read in a way? Yeah. I mean, I like, in a way, I kind of like histogram because it's just like one or the other. There isn't all that space in between, but that's up to y'all. So it says grab them and slide them up to the left to close them, so we can sort of like make these things disappear.
Oh, they're so cute when they're tiny.
I know, I like them when they're tiny. Yeah, that's cool, and that's actually that's a cool Fathom tool.
Really small.
All right? So then you just know you can find them here if we need to. So we'll kind of arrange them like so. That is cool. So then, this is key. Go to the Inspect 8 Coins box. So that means we need to double click on the collection. And we click on Measures. So we click on this Measures tab right here. Okay? And we want to add a new measure called heads. So it's going to count, we're going to tell it to count the number of heads in each flip, if you will. Okay? All right? So we want the measure to be heads. And we want a formula for heads that is given as count the number of coins that equal 1. So I guess what value are we counting as heads? 1. Right. Right. So we hit OK. Whoa. And check it out. There's my value. Right? So I said that I had 4 heads right here. Head, 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 head are the ones. And now it tells me how many heads I've got. 4 heads, right? So with this box open, we can re-randomize. I know. Oh, there we go. I got 5. Finally. Okay. All right. So there we go. We know it's working. So we can close the inspect 8 coins box. So we can close this. So now that we've got our heads measure here. We're counting every coin as 1 equaling heads. Okay. So now we can go to, what's the next one say? Click on the 8 coins. Go to collection. And we want to collect measures. Whoa. Whoa. What just happened there?
That was so cool.
Yeah, so now, yeah, the animation's pretty cool.
Fathom is like Disney. I understand why you would turn it off when you were adding more.
So what, it's important to kind of understand like what just happened here. And we've got measures from 8 coins, and I can make a table out of measures from 8 coins. What is going on here?
So, it's acting like you re-randomized it like 5 times, and every time that's the amount of heads that there are.
Celeste is absolutely correct. What this does is it re-randomizes for you 5 times and counts automatically the number of heads in each randomization. So this is the exact same thing as rolling 8 dice 5 times and counting the number of heads and getting the number of heads in each roll. Okay? So that is really cool, really powerful. And what we can do is collect more measures.
How do you change?
And we see like that animation works. Each time it's collecting a measure, it's like taking a little green egg from the golden eggs and moving them into the measure. So I collected 5 more measures. So now I've got 10 samples of 8, if you will, and these are the numbers of heads in each of those samples, okay? So sorry? So if you do that, you click on the measures from 8 coins and can drag in a table, and that will give you a table for. Yeah, highlight just means click on. Okay. So go ahead and continue on. We've done through sort of numbers 6 or 7 together. Through reading and talking with each other, see if you can continue on through collecting measures in Fathom.